Hi students, good morning. This is K.R. Shiva Prasad. Today we will discuss a topic from coordinate geometry. One of the important applications of coordinate geometry is to measure the distance between 2 points. Let us consider an example. Today is your friend's birthday. You have to attend the birthday party from your place to your friend's place. So I am considering two locations. One is your house location and another one is your friend's house location as B. So we have to move from point A to point B. So this is the direction of movement from your house to your friend's house. To calculate the distance between these two houses, we are converting these locations as points in XY plane. That is, A location is converted as a point here x1 comma y1 and B location is converted as point B x2 comma y2. We need to calculate the distance between these two points. To calculate the distance between these 2 points, we need to draw perpendiculars from point A and also from point B on x-axis like this. Draw a perpendicular on x-axis, one more perpendicular on x-axis. Similarly, draw perpendicular from point A on y-axis from point A. Similarly, from point B, draw perpendicular from point B on x-axis, on y-axis. So this is the case. Draw the perpendiculars from point A and point B on x and y axes and extend these perpendicular which is drawn from point A on y axis up to here. It will intersect the point at C. Consider this intersection point as C. So it will form a right angle triangle. If you observe the diagram, we will get a right angle triangle here. This is the right angle triangle. So which forms a right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. So to further solving, we need to calculate the distance between these 2 points. That is, what is the value of distance between these two A and C. Similarly, we need to calculate distance between B and C. For that purpose, if you are drawing perpendicular means the value becomes x1 here because it is on x-axis. The value is x1. Similarly, extended point from B, perpendicular point from B will be x2 here. This is x1 and this one is x2. Okay, so the distance between A and C is nothing but x2 minus x1. Similarly, the perpendiculars drawn from A and B on y-axis, if you see the distances, this is y1 and similarly this is y2. So the distance between these 2 points will give y2 minus y1. So consider the separate right angle triangle here. So this is a right angle triangle from the same xy plane. We are considering the same triangle, right angle triangle A, C and B. Okay. So the distance between these 2 points is x2 minus x1. That is the measurement of AC. So the distance between AC is nothing but x2 minus x1. Similarly, the distance between B and C. If you measure the distance between B and C, the distance is nothing but y2 minus y1. So this is the distance between these B and C is nothing but y2 minus y1. So this is a perpendicular angle. And by using Pythagoras theorem, the length of hypotenuse AB square, is nothing but AC square plus BC square. AB square is equal to AC is nothing but x2 minus x1. So we can write x2 minus x1 whole square plus BC square is nothing but y2 minus y1 whole square. From this we can write AB is nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance between 2 points. A and B are 2 points in xy plane. This is a formula for finding distance between 2 points. Let us consider an example, a point on xy plane as 3, 1, and one more point I am considering B as 1, 3. Okay, so we need to calculate the distance between these 2 points by using this formula. For applying this formula, we need to identify first x1, y1 and x2, y2. So if you see here, the 2 points A, x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So based on that formula, we can write AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. So we can write x2 minus x1 as 1 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So we can write 3 minus 1 whole square. So from this we can say 1 minus 3, you can say 2 square. This is also 2 square. And further we can write 4 plus 4. And we will get root 8. So further if you simplify this, we will get AB is equal to square root of 2 into 4. So 2 root 2 units. 2 root 2 units. So this is the distance between these 2 points in xy plane by using this formula. Thank you.